Unlocking the secrets of memory. The power of to store in memory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that we use quite often, to store in memory. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to deepen your understanding of this beautiful language, you're in the right place. So, let's explore what it means to store something in memory, not just in the context of our minds but also in the digital world. To store in memory is a phrase that implies keeping information, experiences, or data in a place where it can be accessed later. This concept is fundamental both to how our brains operate and to how computers function. When we learn something new or experience something memorable, our brain stores this information so we can recall it in the future. Similarly, when we save a file on a computer, the computer stores this data in its memory. Our brains are incredibly complex and capable of storing vast amounts of information. When we talk about storing something in memory in a human context, we're referring to the process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. This process involves various parts of the brain, especially the hippocampus, which plays a crucial role in transferring new information into long-term memory. Understanding this helps us appreciate the amazing capacity of our minds to preserve experiences and knowledge. In the digital world, to store in memory refers to saving data on electronic devices like computers, smartphones, or memory cards. This data can be anything from documents and photos to software applications. Digital storage involves writing data to the device's memory, which can be volatile, like RAM, where data is lost when the device is turned off, or non-volatile, like a hard drive or SSD, where data remains even after the device is powered down. Whether you're trying to improve your own memory or ensure that your digital data is safe, there are strategies to enhance memory storage. For our brains, techniques like repetition, mnemonics, and connecting new information with something already known can significantly improve memory retention. For digital data, regularly backing up important files and using reliable storage solutions are key practices to prevent data loss. Understanding the concept of to store in memory opens up a world of insights into both the workings of our own minds and the functioning of the devices we rely on every day. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and versatility of memory storage in our lives. Remember, whether it's cherishing a precious moment or securing a valuable file, the ability to store in memory is a fundamental aspect of both human and technological experience. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content in the future. Stay curious.